Welcome to Aylmer, Ontario, where Mexican Mennonite culture blends perfectly with delicious food. Thanks to hero Adam Montgomery, we're at Greta's Taco Wagon, reopened after 18 months, serving authentic Mexican dishes rooted in Aylmer's unique heritage. Their Saturday-only breakfast burrito is about to destroy Dave's diet. Will cultural cuisine conquer his cravings? He's there now. Let's find out.
All right, so this is Aylmer, Ontario, Greta's Taco Wagon. This place was actually closed for over a year. They put in this beautiful new stand, and then they had some issues with compliance, and well, it's just been a shit show, I think. But
Thank you.
Just gonna take a phone call order and I'll be right with you.
no problem, take your time.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Devastating, and timing purchases can be complicated. But did you know there's a new seed treatment that can help mitigate yield loss? Start the year off with food against disease. Ask for seed supplier or local economic group to pre-treat your beans.
So I can tell you whenever you're ready.
I'm all ready. God, it's been a long time coming waiting to come back here, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Well, I'm here for what I hear is the best breakfast burrito in the country, maybe in the world. Is that true?
And it's very true.
Is it? Okay.
It's all our food, yeah.
I don't think I better have the big one. I better just have the small one.
Okay.
Or do you think the big one, what do you think?
You could probably, I wonder, it would stay good to warm up later too, maybe.
Would it? Well then I'll take the big one then. What the hell?
Yeah?
Absolutely.
It would be good to warm it up, right? If they don't eat it all? Yep. Okay, so the big one, you want white or whole wheat?
White, I think, please.
And do you want me to list off what we have in there for you?
Sure.
We have eggs, beans, hash browns, cheese, onions, jalapeno peppers. Those are fried, the onions, peppers, and bacon, ham, salsa, and you can do mayo or spicy mayo.
Yeah, sure. Well, how would you have it? Would you put mayo in it or no?
I would probably put mayo in it.
Okay. Just a regular mayo.
Wanna go regular? Yeah.
Yes.
Anything else?
No, I think that's it.
Okay, this is gonna be $15.81, please.
Okay.
And your name for the order?
My name's Big Dave.
Big Dave.
Yep.
Just gonna pass that over. Okay?
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you need a copy of that?
Please.
There you go.
Awesome.
William's ready.
Thank you. Very excited.
A few minutes later.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Enjoy.
No problem. Here, let me give you a button while I'm here, though. You should have one of these, right?
Okay, thank you very much.
Have a great day. All right, welcome back. Dave Eats. Today, we're in Aylmer at Greta's Tacos. Now, it just finally opened again. It's been closed for over a year. They put in this beautiful new restaurant. You may be able to see it here behind me. Takeout stand. Because it was so nice, they had problems because they had to do more stuff. It took them over a year to finally get this thing reopened. But here it is. It's here now. Greta's. Now this was Adam from the St. Thomas Honest Food Reviews Facebook page. Adam, get well soon. This thing's got some weight to it. We got the large. It comes in 2 sizes, large or small. Adam says this is an amazing breakfast taco, and he hasn't led us astray yet. You can see they put it up, and they got some beautiful grill marks on it. You can smell the char on them. White or brown, you can get it in. I got it the way it comes. I would probably I'm not a big bean guy. I know that's weird, burrito, and not a bean guy, but I would probably forgo the beans. But I haven't tried it yet, so that's tough to say. Let's try this thing out. It's got eggs, beans, and you were there. You heard her list it all. I thought it'd be a little warmer inside. I think it's probably just the mayo they put in here. You can get mayo or spicy mayo, but Lou's going to have some of this. And everyone knows she's not a big fan of spicy. I'm going to take another bite. This thing has fried jalapenos in there. You know, they've been fried up with the onions. They're pretty darn good. Yeah, I think it's quite good. I would maybe get the spicy mayo next time if I were doing it for myself, but I think this thing's pretty darn good. What do you think? Would you eat this? Tell us. This is right on Highway 3, just as you enter Aylmer from St. Thomas. Everyone in St. Thomas already knows about this place. People in London probably do too, some of you, but if you don't, that's where it is. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, comment below. My name's Big Dave, and this is Dave Eats. Big Dave!